What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I got a couple mods for the E46 that we're going to be installing today, so let's get to it.
We're going to be deleting these license plate frame, and we're just going to put the OEM one just to get a cleaner look.
Go ahead and remove these two screws. We're going to need a screwdriver,
and we're just going to pop this off. Use a flathead, and we're just gonna pop these off. There you go, it's off. And put the new piece. Just gotta align it properly with the tabs. And this is how it looks without the license plate frame. Way better.
I also got another mod for the E46.
I'm gonna open the box right now. A new pair of taillights. These are the new taillights that we're going to be installing today. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn these little knob right here. And you should be able to pull out this thing right here. Now we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect these connectors. There you go.
We are going to go ahead and do the same thing over here. Just going to turn this knob. Should be able to come out. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect it.
Now we're just gonna go ahead and remove these ground right here. We are gonna do the same thing over here. We're just gonna pull these ground. Have these completely off. Now, in order to remove the taillight, we're gonna have to remove these tab right here, because there's gonna be one nut right here. There's gonna be another one right here inside, and I believe the other one is right underneath this part. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the nuts. So we're gonna start with this one. We're gonna use a 10mm. Just have to be careful not to drop this one. And the last nut that we're gonna remove is gonna be that one right there behind the carpet. It's gonna be this one right here. After removing those 3 nuts, you should be able to pull this taillight off. There you have it. Now we're just gonna go ahead and fit our headlight. Now we're just gonna go ahead and connect it. Now to remove these lights, we have to remove first these 4 clips that are holding the carpet. Now to disconnect it, we're just gonna press this tab and the lights should come off. Now we're just gonna go ahead and remove this nut and the lights should come off. So after tightening this nut, we're just gonna go ahead and put these 2 bulbs back in place and we should be good to go. So it is the next day. Yesterday I was just too tired to keep going. So right now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and put all these wires inside. And we're just gonna finish installing the taillight. Should fit right on. We're gonna use the same knob that we removed, and we're just gonna go ahead and put it right here. And it should look something like this. So now we're just gonna go ahead and do the passenger side. We're gonna go ahead and put all these wires inside here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these knobs right here. The fitment on these taillights was really good. I honestly didn't have any issues with it. I'll leave the description down below where you can find these LED taillights for your E46. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I also got a different shift knob, so that way it matches with the interior. I'll open it right now and show you what it is. It is a carbon fiber with the silver middle piece. Here it is. I'm about to install it. So I believe to remove the shifter, I believe you gotta put it in neutral and then just pull up. So I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty tough to get it out. You gotta push these lever, and then you gotta put it up like that, and it'll come off. Now we're just gonna put the new one in. Now we're just gonna make sure it works. I will be leaving the description down below where you can find these carbon fiber shift knob for your E46. As you guys can tell, I got rid of these wood looking pieces. I replaced it with the silver ones. Just think it looks way better. It doesn't look outdated or anything like that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.